Hey guys, I'm here at Dunlap Hollow in Hocking Hills. If you've been following along, you know this is the giveaway that the Tomlinson group is doing if you list your home with us in the month of March and April. This place is incredible. It was just finished. The first guests are staying tonight, and we have the opportunity to be here today to take you on a tour and show you around. It's the most amazing Airbnb I've ever seen. It's so close to home. It's less than an hour away in Hocking Hills. You guys won't be disappointed. It's beautiful. You'll want to stay here, and hopefully you'll want to list your home with the Tomlinson group. So let's go in and check it out, and I'll show you around. Okay guys, so when you pull up to Dunlap Hollow, you obviously are going to be blown away by just the massive A-frame structure that they have built here, and obviously the incredible attention to detail. So I'm going to show you around, and I'm going to show you some of those things you're going to see as you pull up. So you can notice right here when you come into the property, these hammocks that are hanging here. Super cool. Who would have thought of that? But obviously a great way to enjoy the outdoors and hang out and relax. So let's go check out some more details. All right guys, so when you come up the steps, this is the main outdoor living space. It's incredible, just like everything else inside. But I just want to point out a few details. You have the market lights that surround overhead, which are obviously super cool when you want to be out here at night and enjoy the incredible nature that surrounds you. You have the seating area with a little gas fire pit area. You have your hot tub, and then you have a super cool fire pit area with little stools made out of tree trunks that surround it. It's just an incredible space. And then obviously you're surrounded by Hocking Hills and all of the incredible nature, and it's just super peaceful and a great place that I think anybody will enjoy, whether you're with your friends, family, or your kids. You can't go wrong here. All right guys, so we're finally inside Dunlap Hollow, and we're gonna share with you what you're gonna find as you tour around this incredible A-Frame Airbnb. So obviously everything is very open and spacious. You're surrounded by a ton of windows, which is giving you a lot of great natural light. You have your living area and your kitchen and your dining area, all very open. The kitchen is beautiful. The colors they've chosen are insanely incredible, with the kind of emerald green cabinetry and the bronze gold finishes, all accented by a lot of white. The living area is very creative. It's got obviously plenty of seating area. It's got a little wood burning stove that kind of floats, which is super cool. And then you do have one bedroom and one bath on this level as well, and then a huge dining table. So obviously a great place to enjoy with friends and family, plenty of space for everybody. All right guys, so we're on the second level, which has two bedrooms and one bath. Again, all are incredibly beautiful, attention to detail, lots of little built-ins, tons of windows and natural light. One even has sliding doors to its own private balcony, and there's even this little loft area that provides additional seating space as well. All right guys, so we made it to the top of the A-frame. This is the third floor that has the fourth bedroom. It's super cool. Probably one of the most creative spaces of the entire place. So you have the bed that is kind of in the floor, and it has built-in storage that surrounds, and then you have two more beds that fold out from the walls. It's super cool. And then you have the A-frame windows that surround in the background, and then when you look across, you have the same thing. Again, guys, I can't tell you how beautiful this place is. It's incredible, it's creative. It's in the middle of one of the most beautiful places, so close to home in Hocking Hills. And you guys could win this if you list your home with us in March and April, the Tomlinson group. We would love to work with you, and we'd love for you to have the opportunity to win this beautiful Airbnb for 2 nights.